It's April 2nd, 2023. Here's the grape hyacinth latifolium. You can see more flowers have formed. Here's the glory of the snow. You can see one single flower from one of the bulbs. Pretty rare sights. I haven't seen it flower for a while. Here's the Persian pearl tulip. Flowers are still forming. It's taking its time. Here's the grape hyacinth. You can see more flowers have formed. Here's the peony. The sprouts are growing pretty quickly, getting taller, and there's a lot more sprouts. Lavender, you can see a lot of new leaves growth. Here's the grape. The buds are getting bigger. This bud over here, you can see the leaves. Here's the blueberry. The buds are also growing. You can see the leaves over here. Here's the rhubarb. Flower spikes are getting taller. Mulberry, buds are also forming and getting bigger. Raspberry, pretty much the same thing, lots of new growth. I moved the crocus down to the patio for display, but you can see the rain has kind of destroyed the flowers. Here's the striped squill. More flowers are forming. And here's the lily of the valley sprout. You can see the flowers inside the sprout on the right. Here's a few more sprouts. Yeah, you can see the flowers on the left sprout. Other than that, here's the serviceberry. You can see some buds forming. Hydrangea looks pretty much the same. And the Phalaenopsis, the fourth flower has opened. This one over here. So now we have a total of 4 flowers.